Rich, what are you doing back here? They got you hiding under the stairs.
Just doing the old fiber splicing dice under the stairs. I'm not afraid of the dark anymore. You want to see how this thing works? It's pretty cool. Hit set. Finds it, pulls it in, then you hit set again, and then fusion. It's my favorite part. Bam. Connected. Open the flaps. Be gentle. Ooh. Little sleeve and heat. You ever heard of sleeve and heat? That thing heats it up, shrinks it down. That's it. I'm all done with splicing.
How many have you done today?
What's 36 and 12? 48? 48 fiber splicing dice.